In this video, we're going to show you how to find 10x meme coins utilizing Dex Screener. Every single day, there are thousands of meme coins coming out, and the question is, how do you sort through the noise and pick out the winner? With Dex Screener, it makes it a little bit simpler. One of the functionalities of the site that is most used is the search bar. Let me show you really quickly why people love this platform for searching meme coins. Let's click into the search bar together. The layout may be different by the time you're watching this video, but the functionality should be the same. If you heard of meme coins, you might be confused because there could be 3, 4, 5, maybe even 10 tickers for the same meme coin. Not only that, there are meme coins across multiple platforms. That's right, it could be on Ethereum, it could be on Base, it could be on Solana, it could be on Bitcoin, it could be on Sui, it could be on Binance, the list goes on. Let's walk through a real life scenario that probably you've been through, and I most definitely have, is when a friend texts you about a meme coin. It goes along the line something like this: hey, so-and-so, have you heard about this meme coin? Enter the ticker. Let's pretend this one is Moo Dang, which is the fun-loving hippo, not telling you to go buy that meme token, but the ticker is just that. It's just the name of the meme coin. Of course, they're not going to send a contract address because that makes the conversation too technical. They would much rather say, hey, check out Pepe, check out Moo Dang, check out whatever XYZ meme coin. But lo and behold, when I enter in the ticker here into Dex Screener, you can see that Moo Dang is not only on Solana, but it's also on Ethereum here, as you can see by the icon. Scroll down a little bit further, there's one on Sui Network, there's also one on Binance Chain. Which one's the right one? Typically, the meme coin with the highest market cap is the one with the most sales volume and the correct ticker, but that's not always the case, and you don't want to make a mistake that can cost you fortunes. Great thing about Dex Screener is that it shows you the contract address. If we zoom in just a little bit here, all you need is the first couple letters and numbers of the contract address with the back address, something you could verify with the meme coin website or wherever you got your source from for that meme coin. You could check the token address, and that really quickly shows you high level of the token address for the one in Ethereum and for the one in Solana. One thing I like about Dex Screener also is it shows you when it came out, and you can see that Moo Dang here, this one in Solana, is the earliest one. So having provenance, being the first on-chain, does make some difference here. Let's compare that to coin market cap, which everyone loves and utilizes, but on a high level, you can't really tell much information. You can tell price, market cap, there's no contract address, we don't know how long it's been out. You can see ranking, but you can't see which blockchain platform it's from. Easy to get confused in my opinion. Let's try another example. Currently, Popcat is a very exciting meme coin that's taken off. Who knows what it is by the time you're watching this video. But just like we saw Moo Dang, we can see Popcat is on different blockchain platforms. An easy way to differentiate is just looking at the token addresses. If the token address is the same, that means it's on the same platform. In terms of Dex Screener, the reason they show two different findings is because of the pairing, whether it be with a stablecoin or with another crypto pairing. That's why they have two different findings here. We scroll down to number 3, we can see there's a different contract address. This one's on Ethereum, and this one has a different contract address that's on Ethereum also. We can see that this Popcat on Ethereum has a $23 million market cap, and then this one has $500,000 market cap. So a lot of different variations of this meme coin, but of course the one that reigns supreme, 1.23 billion on Solana. If the contract address is correct, then you know you're buying the correct meme coin. Let's click on the first finding here, and I'll show you why people really love Dex Screener, and that's because you have trading analysis tools here that you wouldn't really get from CoinMarketCap. Now, who's doing technical analysis on a meme token is beyond me, and this is not a technical analysis video. This is just a tutorial on how to use Dex Screener. As all the tools as trading view, so I'm not going to get into that, but on a high level, what you want to watch out for is the contract address. So if you just look at market cap, you can see that it's a high market cap, but you want to go down to the contract address, not at the pairing, but where it says the name of the ticker, whether it be Moo Dang, Popcat, Doge, you name it. You can actually copy that contract address and make sure it's the right one. The reason you want to make sure the contract address is correct is because on Dex Screener, you can actually buy and sell your meme tokens on the platform itself. So you find a pairing that you like, you see has good volume, good holders, good metrics, everything about the culture that you like and love, you want to get in, you could do so on Dex Screener. If we hop on over to another meme coin, we can see all the high level metrics are the same. Volume, market cap, price, buy, sell walls, holders we can see here. Most importantly, once again, is the contract address, and it is always at the same spot in the middle, not the pair, not the crypto, but the meme token itself. The reason I wanted to show you two meme coins is because for this particular meme coin, let's try to trade it. Now, there's no buy and sell, as you can notice, because for different pairing, they can have different mechanisms, and we don't know why. But here, a pop-up appears for Jupe. Jupe is the DeFi exchange on Solana. Not endorsing Jupiter, you could definitely trade on Orca as well. That pops up as an exchange if you utilize that. to each its own. Definitely be mindful of the platform fees. I imagine Jupiter has its own fees and Orca has its own fees, but when it pops up on its own window here, like for Moodang at least, here you can see that the platform fee is shown here. So make sure that this is the fee that you like before pulling the trigger. If you don't like it, just get off Dex Screener and go straight to the DeFi protocol that you like to purchase your crypto. That right there is why a vast majority of people utilize Dex Screener, so they can see the high level information, which blockchain, which contract address, is it on the right platform. Of course, there's general information also like website, Twitter, and Telegram, high level info that you can pretty much get anywhere. But if you got the first part that I just went over, you got the real reason people utilize Dex Screener for 99% of their meme coin searches. If you do want to go 1 inch deep with them, you can create an account to utilize more functionality. You do not need to reveal your identity. You can connect the wallet that I just did right there. But if not, you can also create one with Google or Apple ID. After creating that, you can add or remove things from the watch list. You do that on the right hand side tab as of this recording. Another thing I like to do is you can set alerts. So then as it goes over a certain price and the market caps, then it'll send you an alert. The watch list is on the bottom left, and you can create your own list to provide fundamental or technical analysis. Add as many as you want, and also track your portfolio real time if you connect your wallets. You definitely want to make correct risk analysis decisions based off your budget and your portfolio, but we won't know that until you put that all into a tracker, and Dex Screener does a great job at it. It's as simple as that. You could get into more charting technicalities. You could definitely find some meme coins that are popping off per blockchain. So right here, we scroll down, we can see that they support pretty much every single blockchain across the board. But let's go with Solana. Let's click on Solana and let's see what's popping off. And here we see a lot of analytical tools and data, some which you may like and love. You can sort by gainers, and of course you can sort by losers. If you didn't know, you can short meme coins actually. You can sort by new peers, and you can also filter based off of volume, different metrics, holders, and whatnot. I'm not going to get into all of it, but what I do like is that if you're on one chain alone, then you can definitely sort by that blockchain and see the top movers there. And on top of each blockchain, you can see the exchanges and the top meme coins moving on the exchange. So here we can sort through Radium, Orca, Meteora for Solana. And on Ethereum, they love utilizing DeFi swaps like Uniswap and SushiSwap and so on and so forth for other blockchains. Trust me, utilizing Dex Screener will help you get ahead of the game. Remember, this is a fast-moving space. Meme coin mini cycles that can make you fortunes can change in a matter of weeks, days, and even, yes, hours. If you're that much faster, if you know which contract address to get, that could spell the difference between hundreds of thousands and millions. I kid you not. Imagine getting in on Pepe coin when it was $1 million versus $60, $70 million. That jump 1 to 70 million only took a few hours. If you're bumbling around, you don't know which contract address, you don't know which blockchain, and you don't know which marketplace, then Dex Screener is here to help you save a ton of time. Next time your friend texts you, hey, do you know about XYZ, dog with hat, cat with hat, anything with a hat, anything with a cute puppy face, jump into Dex Screener and check it out. You can see real-time data with analytics of holders, volume, and of course, the main thing is the right contract address. Not to mention, if you want to save on time, you could trade within the dApp itself, making it super quick to get in and out of coins. That's it for today's video on Dex Screener. If you make millions, don't forget about us. If you want to know which top meme coins that we are getting involved with, that we share with our private community, click on the link down below. We go over winning trades on the weekly. We cover meme coin trading on all platforms, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Base, you name it. Make sure to subscribe and follow along as we always bring you the newest and most updated information on crypto, Web3, blockchain. See you guys on the next one.